Hey, welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're exporting mono stems. Okay, I just recorded some sample vocal stems here.
Check 1 2. Hello, hello.
There it
Check
is
1
dry.
2. Yep, here. Hey, check 1 2.
And then I added some stereo effects.
Check
So
1
verb to
2.
this one
Hello, hello.
and some
Hey, check 1
distortion
2.
here.
Check, check, check. Check 1 2. Check, 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 check.
Now we want to export them with the effects baked in, but we want to keep them mono. So I'm going to select both tracks, go to export. Then I'm going to select selected tracks only. You can actually also do this with main or individual tracks. And then you're just going to go down to convert to mono, turn that on, and then export. And I'm just going to export it to the desktop. All right, cool. Let's pull these stems in and make sure that they're mono. Typically, I do this when I'm tuning vocals and then I'm sending it to a mix engineer and they would want it in mono, but with the tuning still baked in. So here I pull it in, check to make sure all of our effects are baked in. They're definitely mono tracks.
Check 1 2. Hello,
There's our
hello.
verb, and here's our
Hey,
distortion.
check 1 2. Check, check, check.
Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed, what we should talk about next.